Good evening, this is Casey Olson with the Utah Climate Center. Spring storms are tricky for me personally as I'm antsy for warm and sunshine this time of the year. While this weekend storm is very cold, it doesn't last too long, which makes it more bearable for me. Gusty winds precede a large low pressure digging in along the west coast. As I'm sure you've noticed, mild to warm conditions prevailed on Thursday as we sat right in front of the trough with a dominant southwest flow. Increasing solar insolation also contributes to our increasing temperatures. That whole trend of nice weather stops Friday as a cold front whips around the lows centered over Nevada Friday morning. This is an interesting track as we usually see cold fronts move north to south, but this one tracks from the west to southwest. The first drop Friday morning pulls us down to the 50s, bringing valley rain and mountain snow. Precipitation in the valleys should be lacking for much of the day before ramping up Friday night. Well, the next wave arrives Saturday morning, and this one will bring much colder temperatures to northern Utah. We just got to make it through Saturday, which shows chances of snow for the northern valleys. One more shortwave hits us Sunday, but this looks to be a weaker system that will do little other than bring minor precip and keep our temperatures low. Thankfully, the series of waves exits Monday with a return to climate normals for April. Temperatures in the northern valleys will plummet to the 50s Friday and 40s Saturday. Sunday begins the trend back up before we see some impressive highs next week. Eastern Utah sees a slight delay in the storm compared to northern Utah, so they have one more day of warm temps Friday. Southern Utah cools down to the 50s, avoiding the main impacts from precip, but will remain quite windy. With the Utah Climate Center, I'm Casey Olson.